Senator, they may have staved off another coup, but it's still like a sword hanging over the group of Senate President Tito Soto. What do you think are the implications of this very unstable hold on the Senate leadership?
I don't think it will be unstable. It will become unstable only when he's removed. Because who are you going to get? I mean, people keep telling me, dapat andyan ka. I'm not even going to indulge in that. The point is, really, we have a very strange Senate. Talagang sabi nga nila, ibang klaseng Senate ito. But that's the way it is. The people voted for them.
Anong
Uh,
ibig niyong sabihin? Anong klaseng Senate ito?
Well, hindi na yung talagang may formalidad, For example, inalis nila yung, maybe it's, to them, it's form. Sa akin, people, the Senate should wear barong Tagalog or formal suit para at least there's a semblance of respectability and at the same time refrain from using, even calling, your first name. Like, I don't want to be called Kong Senator Dick. I would rather be called the gentleman from Zambales or or Senator Gordon. But the informality makes it a familiar situation, and it brings down the respectability of the Senate. And then when you have people who when they debate, apparently do not research and want to pander to the public, bumababa ang tingin ng tao sa Senado. At makikita mo yung mga antics dyan. I don't have to go through that, but you know what I'm talking about. There are antics that happen in the Senate that shouldn't happen there.